we can hold on that side, and we'll let Daddy take a picture of you and video. How's that? Okay, are you safe? You feel okay? Alright, Daddy. Come on, looky. Just sit tight. Hey!
Look at that.
I'll let all the little ones have a go with this, they love it. Is that clever? So you can't see where you're going, so you have to push your horse, don't you? See? And roll up. Alright, face forward then, young lady. And then we'll make sure we get off properly. Alright, good girl, face forward. It's a long way down from a big horse like this, right? Okay, now how do you get off, you know? Move forward, right leg, push it back, that's it, and slide down. You see it tapping? Hey, good job! Don't forget to bend your knees when you get down, right? And that helps so you don't bang your legs. Good job! Well done! Hold in there, hold in there. Off we go. Watch your reins, Miss Emmy. I'll get the gate. Emmy, I'll get the gate, you get your reins. Good girl.